Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the dynamic checkout button on your Shopify product pages, also known as the Shopify accelerated checkout button. This lets your customers buy faster using options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, or ShopPay, depending on what's available to them. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, click on Online Store in the left sidebar, then go to Themes. Next, to your current theme, click the Customize button. This opens up the Shopify theme editor where you can edit your product page layout. Inside the theme editor, use the top drop down to select Products, then click Default Product or whatever product template you're using. This takes you to the product page preview. Show Dynamic Checkout button. Make sure this checkbox is enabled. Once it's checked, you should immediately see a Buy It Now or branded accelerated checkout button appear in the preview. Click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes to your live store. If you don't see the branded buttons, make sure you've activated those providers under Settings, Payments in your Shopify admin. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.